Hi, my name's Storm Bear Williams. I'm an instructor here at CAU. Today we're going to do a magnetic field experiment. Little law of physics is when you pass a coil through a magnetic field, it will create voltage. This is a fishing magnet, very high tech. This is just a coil we made out of a simple wire. So if you notice on the voltmeter, as we take the coil and pass it through the magnetic field, we induce voltages. We can get a negative voltage and a positive voltage because this is how you create AC current. And today's experiment is whoever can generate the highest voltage wins. So what we're going to do is we are going to film the multimeter, and then as he waves the coil back and forth across the magnetic field, we will be able to record in real time what his voltage is. And we'll replay the footage to determine who has the most voltage. 2, 1, go!
Oh, that's not gonna work. Please tell me it's working.
Oh, it's working.
Time.
Time. All right. Okay, give us a countdown, Harley.
Right. 3, 2, 1. Time.
Time. Thank you.
I think he cheated. He definitely cheated.
Well, actually, his wires didn't pop up. So
Illustrate this without any kind of iron or steel core.
Why is that significant?
But you'll see. Am I generating any
yes,
voltage?
you are.
Alright. Now, the iron in this core is going to make everything change up. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. You want to be careful because this will hit your fingers. What's wrong?
I'm okay over here though, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just don't.
Am I making more voltage?
Yes, you are. So if we add an iron core to the coil, we can actually have more efficiency from the magnetic field being transferred into the coil.
Smile
Cheese.
and look cool.
And have fun.
That's the most important part of this program. The job is not always fun, but as long as you're having fun. Is it really a job? I left a good career to come here, but I have a great time.
Congratulations, team
Cookie Num Num.
Cookie Num Nums.
Younger, stronger, and
Oh, it's cooking them.
Yeah, I think they shortened it on there. How's it feel to win another competition?
pretty good.
I mean,
Proud
so-
of myself.
Yeah, I mean, so far you guys are like,
Dominated
you're,
out there.
you're kicking butt and taking names.
That's what we do.
You know.
It is what we do.
I mean, how do you think the other team must feel? I mean, they're a little bit older. You know, they've been in the program a little bit longer than you guys. How do you think they're feeling right now, knowing that?
Pretty scary. It just shows, It just shows who's more capable of doing more stuff.
Look at them over there stressing the
You know, you can see it.
Yeah.
Cookie Num